Nations Girl Group! Pili! Ito sila, of course! Aya, Colette, Maloy, Joanna, Mika, Gwen, Stacy, and Sheena! Gaganda, no? Ang Pili, daw muna kayo, Ay, asan yung mic natin for the girls?
Wala, ganito ka lang.
Nawala yung mic. Buyan daw, buyan. Buyan, wait lang. Pasensya na, kunin na natin yung mic nila, ha? Eto, alam ko kilala natin silang lahat, pero syempre, isa-isa sila mag-i-greet sa inyo at magpapakilala. Pero may challenge lang ako sa girls. Pag nag-introduce kayo ng sarili nyo, i-complete nyo na rin yung statement na, if I were an animal, I would be a blank because. Okay, so, una na tatay. Wala na ikuan. Ito yung nasa tapan. Ay, sorry, bibisali ako. Okay, go!
Judy! Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Vinnie Colette and siguro wolf na lang.
Wolf because.
Yun yung emoji ko sa Vinnie. Hi everyone, I'm Mika and I will choose a bird so I can fly.
Oh, but all of you are flying now. Oh, diba? Nag-fly naman talaga ng bonggang Vinnie.
Hi, I'm Maloy and if I would be an animal, I want to be a butanding.
Ay ko naman, Maloy! Dahan-dahan naman tayo.
I want to be a whale so I can swim. Hi, I'm Joanna and sisiu para sisiu kitin mga.
Nagpaandar!
Hi guys, I'm Sheena and if I were to be an animal, I would be I would like to be a rabbit. Thank you.
Bakit daw? Bakit rabbit?
Why not?
Hey!
Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. If I were to be an animal, I would be koala because I'm playing. Hindi na rin yung emoji ko sa Hi everyone, I'm Aya, and if I were an animal, it would be a dog because most dogs love adventures, and I love adventures. Yeah. Hi, I'm Bee Stacy, and if I were to be an animal, I would like to be a quokka kasi they're the happiest animal on earth. Quokka, search it now so you know.
Hindi ko rin alam yun. Pero sa inyo girls, paupuin na muna natin yung girls.
And we are Vinnie!
Thank you. Ayan. Paupuin muna yung girls natin. I-warm up na muna natin yung girls. Ako muna yung magtatanong ha, pero sabi ko nga kanina, i-ready nyo na yung questions nyo for them. Ayan. Girls, kamusta? Alam ko ang tanong ng lahat agad. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta ang pagod? Buhay pa? Sino sasagot for... O, yung late daw nakalipat. Kamusta?
Medyo nakakapagod yung ginawa namin ng K-Con to eh. Parang very... Pero syempre, ramdam ko rin yung pagod ng girls kasi from LA to bumiyahe sila kagabi to Ontario to here. Tapos bumalik po ulit kami ng LA kanina para lang sa meeting ulit po. So parang nakakapagod yung biyahe po nila. So thank you girls for the effort. Wala
Wala daw yun. Pero dun sa mga nag-K-Con, kamusta naman? Nakapahinga na? Jet lag pa ba daw?
Yeah. Masaya po yung K-Con kasi marami pong artists nandun. We got to meet K-pop groups and artists. Sobrang saya na Sheena and everyone else. You got to... Masaya ko lang. Di masaya kami lahat kasi we got to collaborate with them. But sometimes, na-hit pa rin kami with the jet lag. So sometimes we crash kahit kausap or may ginagawa biglang.
Ano, may pinapakwento? Ano daw yun?
Ayoko. Kwento mo na. Ang hirap magkwento. Sige na nga. Kasi, after, ay, bawal eh. Ano lang, basta nasa van po kami, pagod na pagod kami that day. Tapos, pagstop sa ng lahat, ano sa van, tapos ako, nag-transfer pa akong pictures from my cam. Antok na ako, nahulog yung SD card ko. Like, dun sa gilid ng van, and dilim. So, naka-flash ako sa phone, tapos hinahanap ko. Tapos, ito, kunwari action. Pa-flash nga din. Parang feel nyo.
May demo talaga.
Basta sobrang dilim kasi gabi na, ayaw may flash. Asa po yung SD card ko? Tapos natahimik na lang. Mas funny po siya in person. Opo, promise, tawang-tawa silang girls. Pero yun, bagsak kami every night kasi hindi pa kami naka-adjust sa time zone here. Pero we're fighting.
Ito, alam nyo rin na madalas itong natatanong sa inyo, ano na yung pakiramdam girls na most street artists, tapos grabe yung demand, yung pagnanais ng mga blooms na makita kayo, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, pero all over the world. Ano yung feeling na grabe na ka-in-demand?
Of course, una-una, sobrang papasalamat po kami. We are very, so grateful. Sobrang grateful namin nun. But sobrang grateful po namin kasi talaga to sa dreams talaga namin na maging household name ang Bini, not only in the Philippines but also in other countries. So, ngayon na nakikita namin kayo, hindi kami makapaniwala. And pumunta kami dito unang-una na nagsisimula pa lang kami. And ngayon na flourishing na ang Bini. And makita yung mga mukha nyo in real life, malapit, face-to-face. Sobrang sarap sa puso. And we will treasure this forever. Yeah.
Alam niyo, blooms, nakakatuwa kasi kausap ko sila kanina. Sabi nila, hindi pa rin daw sila sanay na makita kayo ng harapan na grabe karami ang blooms. Diba? Ba't di pa rin? Ba't di pa rin nagsisingkin?
Yung tanong nga po namin kanina nung nalaman namin may meet and greet po, may pupunta po bang blooms? Medyo hindi, sa totoo lang, parang panaginip pa rin po kasi talaga. Pero thank you po sa pili po to spend your time with us po. Alam namin, may mga work po yung iba, pero pinili niyo po makasama kami. Thank you.
In fairness sa blooms, kahit kagabi, si Joanna lang yung alam na bumiyahe. May mga blooms na pumunta sa airport para sa lubungin siya. Pero ngayon, ang daldal ko na ibibigay ko yung floor sa ating blooms. Kasi po, baka maraming gustong magtanong sa Bini. Sino ang gustong magtanong na una? Lapit na lang tayo. Okay. Try natin kung maabot yung mic.
Hi girls, it's nice to see you all here. I just have one question and I think it's sorry, I'm Ash.
Bini Ash.
Yeah, Bini Ash. Okay, I just have one question. Since everyone knows, may announcement na Biniverse North America Tour. So we're all expecting na magkaroon ng Biniverse US. So the question is, when will it happen? Direct.
Only question ko natin. Bakit Joa?
Pero syempre, gusto ko namin mangyari yan, di ba? Pero ngayon, hindi pa final. And fix na po yung schedule natin for this year. Hopefully next year, di ba, magawa natin yan. Hopefully, direct.
Narinig nyo yun ha, di ba? Nakaka-proud. Fix na this year. So, ano hanggang December? Actually, lumampas pa, piling ko, fully booked na. Pero of course, mangyayari naman yan. Soon. Kasi syempre, gusto nilang mag-give back sa lahat ng sumusupport.
Update, sabi ni Direct, next year na.
Next year! Start na tayo ng ticket selling direct. Next question. Manggagaling kanino? Naku, nahiya pa. Ayun. Ito, meron si ate. Can you see? You have a question for them? Yeah.
I can yell, it's okay.
Okay, go yell!
So we all know what like girl math is, Filipino math. What's beanie math?
One plus one equals two. Go.
I guess like I think if you pay in cash, it's free.
Yes.
You know, whatever makes sense to you. Like what makes sense only for you.
I think, I know, but I think, or based from what I've observed with us Beanie, whenever we get to travel abroad, and because we're given allowances, so instead of having that money for ourselves and personal use, we get to use that for shopping and for buying, for makeup. So fun, but not so fun fact. We've been to this makeup store 4 or 5 times, 4 times already. So whenever we go to amusement parks, we don't go to the rides first, we go to the store. Because that's like our happy, like our second home. That's our, I guess, our Beanie math. Thank you.
Thank you. Who else?
Hello, Miko, Beanie Miko, hi. What advice would you want to give your younger self?
Pasa-pasa. From Stacy naman daw mag-start. Kasi dito nag-start kanina.
My advice I would give to my younger self is, Stacy, I hope that you enjoyed your childhood and sana hindi ka na nahihiya. That's it. To my little Aya, I guess just keep going and don't be so shy and just keep trying out new stuff. Because eventually you will. To my younger self, don't be afraid to try. And, ano ba? Huwag ka mahiya. Kasi mahiyain ako. To little Sheena, sana nag-voice class ka ng mas maaga para may vocalist ka ng Beanie. Yes. In another lifetime, ako may vocalist.
Hi, Joanna. Everything will be worth it. Sabi nga ni Director, mahanap mong star mo. Yes, for the nth time. Kaya nga, kayo close!
Little Maloy, sana nag-dance class ka rin ng maaga para naging main dancer ka ng maaga. Palit kami, switch. To my younger self, I would say, just go with the flow. Huwag masyadong, don't make yourself feel too much pressure. Ako, to my younger self, thank you dahil pinanganak ka ng nanay mo. Thank you for saying that. Yun lang.
Okay. Sinong susunod? Ay. Can you yell also? Or gusto lumapit? Pwede lumapit dito.
Hi! I'm Beanie Girl. I would like to ask, what's your memorable moment of your Beanie journey so far?
Memorable moments sa buong journey as Beanie. Lahat sila isa-isa rin?
Me,
Okay.
I think recently we went to over there. Different places. I think the memorable part is nung in-announce direct na kami na yung final 8. Because that's the beginning. Yeah.
Tinanong ko kanina yun dun sa nauna na group. Paano in-announce sa inasang kayo, ganyan?
Actually po, it's our last evaluation, Korean evaluation, and then, nakaupo lang kami. Parang ganito din po, parang ganito. And then, tumawag lang si Direk through video call because it was pandemic. Tapos, dun niya in-announce na, we're the final 8! Yeah, tapos umiyak na lang kami. And then, Beanie. Beanie is born.
O meron pa may gusto i-share ng memorable moment?
The Beanieverse. Yes, of course. And ongoing pa rin. So, feeling ko mapapalit din yun hindi naman papalit. Pero madadagdagan ng Beanieverse that phase.
Ay, ayan! Kasi syempre, di ba, naka-release na sila ng Cherry on Top, narinig yun na, di ba, na isang Beanie sa mga pinupush ng Star Music, ng ABS-CBN Music to go global. Nakaka-proud, no? May mga international singles na sila. Meron pa, may gusto pa ba mag-share ng any memorable moment? Oh, wala naman yun.
Most memorable K-Con. Kasi yung first ever parang K-pop community na... Hindi, sorry Joe, wala ka. OT7 kami ng K-Con. Pero syempre, hawak namin yung pangalan mo nung time na yun. Yeah. Hawak niyo ko sa din.
Nakita ko yung nagpa-viral sa K-Con. Sino daw yung ang laki mag-watermark? Charot. Nag-watermark. Nakita niyo rin ba? Diba? Nag-post, napakalaki ng watermark. Bawal daw manguha ng picture yung may picture. O, sino next na magtatanong?
Wala na.
Ayan na. Wala na.
Hi, Beanie Louise. So, my question, I came all the way from Seattle.
Wow!
So, one question I have for you is, if you could share one message to the world, what would it be?
Pag-bisaya, bisaya. One message to the world.
Sa ako lang. Kami lahat? Oh, let's start.
Pag-isa-isa daw. Pag pinisa daw, kunyari nasa 111 lang to ba?
Ala, pag sinsyain na lang sa pan. Sorry na lang if hindi makasabot na. No, but I guess to the world. Uy, ka-pressure ba?
Pag beauty queen po.
I guess it's the it sounds cliche, but to keep going because it's a choice. For me, I think it's a choice, and that connects to your whys, and that's what I would always say. Whenever I want to keep going, I connect it with my whys. Why should I keep going? What's the reason? Why? And why am I here? It's all for that. Yeah. Thank you. Likewise. And sorry, what was the question again?
If you could share one message to the world, what would it be?
I would share, siguro I would say thank you so much for the blessings. Thank you for the Saturn, the moon, the stars, and the universe. Thank you. Because I love, the stars. Yeah.
Hindi mo papatalo yung mga nandito sa side.
I'm a star, please. Go, Gani. Okay.
Dito daw muna papunta sa gitna eh. Nagbubulungan na dito eh. Sige, mauna.
Ako na? Sasabihin ko yung sinabi mo. Ako, ano ba? Pass. Kasi ano na lang, just be a good, citizen of the world.
Tama naman yun.
Siguro, always choose to be kind, because I feel like doing that, I can solve a lot of problems in the world already. So yeah. Always have an attitude for gratitude. Kasi iba talaga pag... Nagpapasa ako. Iba kasi kapag grateful ka sa mga bagay, even in the smallest things, I feel like kahit yung maliit na bagay na yun, parang mas nagiging malaki siya kasi full yung heart mo.
Yeah, same ako kay Mix. Always choose to be kind. Dahil madaling magpakabait, pero mahirap maging mabuting tao.
For me, make every effort to live in peace. Always choose positivity, whatever happens. Minsan na ako magseryoso, guys, so tandaan nyo yun. Sa akin, be a responsible human being. Yes.
Okay? Thank you! Okay, ay, ito na. Basta magtanong kayo, parang friends na barkadang chikahan ng tayo dito.
Hi, my name is Anthony. So, being in SoCal, have you guys tried any of the SoCal food yet? And if you have, what's been your favorite so far?
Food, SoCal food down.
First day ko
pa lang. Kayo.
SoCal stands for? Southern California. SoCal.
Ano ba yung SoCal na food? Sorry. ako rin ang nagtanong. Ano ba? What's SoCal na food?
Maybe the pretzel. The salty pretzel. Yeah, for me that one. Because I don't know if it's like a specialty in this place, but maybe the burritos and tacos. Amazing.
Sila, oh.
Yeah.
So, Joanna, ano pa naman nakain mo? Tapsilog. Tapsilog.
What's your breakfast? Yung buffet po kanina sa hotel.
Tapsilog. Kasi Pinoy yung chef eh.
Pero I want to try Portos again.
Meron tayo! Agad-agad! Pero grabe girls, ang blooms na ganda, kahon-kahon yung gifts from them. So thank you. Pero punta na tayo sa next na magtatanong. Cartoon character, Rudy Bilway. Kung sino na, umauna naman maisip.
I would be Coraline. Yeah. She's my favorite cartoon character. Because she is adventurous. But, muntik matanggalan ng mata. Hindi, adventurous siya. Pero, nakayanan niya yung bingit ng kamatayan. Bingit ng kamatayan! Ano siya yung favorite ko? All time.
Me, I would be Jerry, and my thumb is tasty.
Tom and Jerry.
Wag naman yun. How about you?
Snowball!
Be?
O sino may naisip na daw?
Si ate ko na, yung cartoon character na, na ibon, tapos, ano pangalan yun? Si ate, yung ganun yung mata, yung...
Yung bird?
Si Baby Bird.
Tweety bird.
Yung may ganun na kanya, yung ganun. Yung...
Two words? Three words? Horse in the ball?
English? Tagalog?
Yung kamukha mo!
Ganun yung blooms yung mga yan. They know it. You know. You know it.
Next daw.
Ako na lang. Kasi nag-iisip pa yung iba eh. Ako si Gwen ng Quentin daw. Oo, yun daw.
Very
Pag nagkaroon ng adoption sa Philippines,
Si Gwen
Gwen as Gwen. Sa akin, hulaan mo sino.
Scooby-Doo.
Puro aso talaga na sa kanya naman yung sa up, yung Golden Retriever. Pwede, pero it's Dora. Kasi kahit saan siya, kahit saan siya, napupunta. Uy, short hair tsaka bangs ako dati nung bata. So, they would call me Dora. Yeah. Ako naman, si Marie from the Aristocrat. Yes. Thank you. That's it.
Jerry, bakit eh?
Shut up!
Dito, may naisip na?
Ako, I will choose Harley Quinn. Cartoon rin yun. Si Pink Panther din. Kasi hindi siya nagsasalita. magsalita eh. Ano na ang ginagawa ko. Yan.
Nakasabi ka ba?
Kaya,
Peppa Pig. Happy. Happy. Happy na. Si Sheena pa may
ito na po yung sagot. Si ano siya? Courage the Cowardly Dog. Kaya ano, lagi siyang praning. Takot sa tao. Alam mo ba yung tsura nun? Oo, yung pink na aso.
Purple daw.
Sa TV kasi namin pink.
Purple sa TV.
Yung tayo TV na yung TV. Oo, medyo malabo.
Last few questions tayo. Kasi may gagawin tayo with the girls.
I'm gonna ask, after KCON, I'm sure you guys are gonna have more fans. What is your message to new fans?
Message daw sa mga bagong fans.
Welcome to the family. Wala nang atrasan. You can get out once you enter.
Yes, and we hope that we live up to your standards and even exceed your standards. Boom, boom.
Okay, last two questions. Last two.
I can try to shout live.
And last.
If you guys were to have one last dinner with someone, whether dead or alive, and learn from them, have a perfect conversation with them, who would it be? Who would it be and why?
Ako agad, si Lord.
Walang makakakontra.
No why.
Wala daw naisip.
Thinking.
Ito na po yung jet lag.
Me, it would be Mama Mary.
Mama Mary. Ako po si Direk Lauren. Kasi libre po niya.
Libre dinner. Direk ha? Direk, narinig mo yung girls. Libre dinner. Sige.
Sa akin, yung papa ko.
Aww. Hindi na sila.
I guess, sino ba? Oprah Winfrey, because she's very influential and I want to know more wisdom from her. Yeah. Oprah Winfrey. I'll choose my mom. Kasi she's my best friend. Sorry po, cancel.
Cancel. Direk, sorry. Cancel ka, Direk.
Opo. And hyphen po. Kasi last dinner na yun eh.
No, last
So,
dinner.
mag-TikTok ulit kami.
Me, Ate Catherine Bernardo. Kasi nasa Canada sila ngayon, ay pupunta kami ng Canada.
Last dinner na ngayon?
Mas na yun. Pero also, eto last question na tayo ha. Kasi after nitong last question, meron tayong pa-TikTok with the girls. Tuturuan nila tayo ng, alam nyo na, pero sa mga hindi nakakaalam, tuturuan nila tayo magsalamin sa rin. Okay, go now!
My name is Chanel. My question is, if you can relive in one of your music videos for a week, which one would it be?
Parang ngayon mainit.
Siguro I'll choose Lagi because ang daming candies. I love candies. Mine is Carrera because there's a bonfire and then there's forest and then near to a beach. And my third one. Golden Arrow. Me too. Me too, Golden Arrow. Kasi ang ganda po ng hotel namin. Me too, Golden Arrow. Very chill lang yung shoot. Yung place. Ayan, everything. Ako daw coconut lang because I love swimming. I love PBB house.
Papasok sa bahay ni Kuya.
Ako, Carrera, because malamig ba doon? Medyo sakto lang. Chiba sa chill rin yung place. Madaming areas.
May kaya!
Medyo meron pa ako.
Kasama ko nila.
Oh!
You guys are so dear.
Kaya swerte natin, nakasama natin yung Bini. Kahit kami minsan na namin sila makita sa kabisihan nila. O ngayon, salamin, bigyan mo ng space yung isa't isa. Ayan, tapos okay lang din may space ng konti para hindi siksik yan. Ayan. Meron naman tayong music ng ano, di ba? Salamin. O, ito to. Pero wala muna music. Mag-start muna tayo sa step. Sino magtuturo? Sheena daw.
Yes.
Okay.
Ano ba lagi eh. Okay. Yung part lang po ng salamin sa dingding na sa ng pag-ibig. Yun lang. Okay. Lahat po gagawin. All out po yung naka po.
Sheena, gusto mo patayin na natin. Tayo na lahat.
Stand up. Stand up. Okay. So, kahit i-mirror niya lang po kami. 5, 6, 7, and tag. Salamin sa dingding nasa ng pag-ibig. Tag. Salamin, and up. Pwede mo bang sabihin? And one more, and tag. Salamin sa dingding nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, and then anything. Kailan niyo ba ako papansinin? Ayan. Okay, one more counting stage. Alam na yun ang blue.
Oo, alam mo na yan. Patingin ka. O yung blooms muna. Patingin. Bibilangan kayo yung Sheena.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, and tap. Salamin sa dingding nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin sa dingding, pwede mo bang sabihin? Salamin sa dingding nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, kailan niya ba ako papansinin?
Just be yourself.
Yes, you can do it!
Be yourself now. Oh, ready na tayo with the music?
Try with music.
Try natin with music. Go! Blooms, ilabas natin yung energy. Okay? Ano naman? Pero pwede ba ako makakita kahit ilang representative ng Blooms na sila? Oo. Representative naman dito sa harap. Ano din? Ano? Chance nyo na ito. Magbili na kayo sa friends nyo na pura kayo ng video. Naka-TikTok ito. Who else? Sino pa gusto? Sino pa gusto? Last call. Last call. Last call. Go. Pwesto. Parang ang dami na. Ang dami. Kung alam ko lang, mas gusto nyo palang sumayaw kaysa magtanong. Kanina pa tayo nagsaya. Okay, Nandy?
Let's go, let's go.
Nasa likod niyo yung Bini. Huwag kayong mag-conscious, ha? Pakitaan niyo ang Bini. Go, Blues! Music!
Let's go, Blues!
Thank you, Blues! Thank you so much! At dahil alam ko nakikita natin na sobrang dami natin dito, simulan na agad natin. Go na tayo sa photo op natin para lahat makapagpa-picture, okay?